This is the secret to natural, realistic looking freckles. Freckles that actually look like they blend in with your skin. Not going to lie, I used to not like faux freckles at all. I just used to think they looked really fake. But I feel like I've really cracked the code to these, and now I wear them pretty much every single day. The first thing, I have my base already done. All of my cream products, but I do not have any setting powder. Do not do your setting powder. When you see somebody with natural freckles, they are underneath their makeup, not sitting on top. When you put freckles over powder, it just looks like makeup. Usually whenever I do faux freckles, I have a more natural base, so I will do something like a skin tint, something a little bit lighter, and then I will go in with the freckles. This is by far my favorite freckle product. This is from Tarte. I use shade light. Press this and it's stamped. And what I like to do is kind of start them around my nose, and then I tap to blend them and just blur them out. And then you kind of just go back and forth and add more product and stamp. Make sure you're tapping and blending it out. I will add some up close underneath the eye, and then also on the sides of my cheek. Since natural freckles are all different sizes, I switched to this pencil. This is from Makeup Forever. With this pencil, I will just go over my beauty marks and just add some more to the nose and the cheeks. Now we have all the freckles applied. I'm going to use the sponge that I did all my makeup with, and I'm just lightly going to tap over this just to really blend that. So we really just want to fade them so that they look like they're laying underneath the makeup. And I'm going to pick up the Hourglass brush that I applied my blush with earlier, and I'm just going to go and tap over this. I'm going to use my cute little travel size, one size powder, tap off the excess, really lightly going to set where I have my concealer laid. Without any extra powder, I'm just going to lightly tap over the freckles. The rest of the face, I'm going to use my Saie. Lightly going to dust this over all of the makeup. Just going to set that all in place. Last step is when I would add my liquid highlighter. This is Rare Beauty. Use my finger and just add this to the nose. For the cheeks, I always use the back of my beauty blender. Okay, you guys, here is the final look. Added a couple more just on top. Obviously, you can do as many as you want. You can do more than this. Let me know what you guys think of this technique and if you try it out.